Hello guys! So for today's vlog, meron tayong mga bisita today. Ang aming mga relatives from Toronto. Excited kami makita sila kasi last time na nakita namin sila is like maybe 2.5 years ago. So ngayon nagpe-prepare kami ng dinner sa kanila. And andun si Richard sa labas nagbabarbecue. And napakahangin naman yun dito sa lugar namin. So hopefully maging maganda yung visit nila dito. At ma-enjoy nila at makita nila ang beauty ng Alberta. We're on the way nga sa Kananaskis and I don't know, pupunta kami sa Upper Lake tapos Trolls Falls, yung suspension bridge na hindi pa rin namin napupuntahan at saka yung Grassy Lakes. Pero ito nga, dito sa Kananaskis ay merong bear warning, the whole Kananaskis, dahil ang dami mga sightings ng bear. Madami. Basta madami siya. Buong Kananaskis hindi lang isang part, hindi lang isang provincial park ganyan. Buong Kananaskis under bear warnings. And dahil yata to sa sabi nung napanood ko sa news, dahil sa ulan ng ulan, ang daming mga pagkain for the bears, like yung mga berries na grow siya talaga ng napakadami. Kaya ayan sila, kumakain sila ngayon para magpataba sila sa winter. So, ayun, ako ay kinakabahan. At baka hindi ako sumama sa mga hike nila dahil ayoko talaga, may trauma talaga ako. Kahit hindi pa ako nakakita ng bear. Hindi trauma, phobia. Yan, kaya ayoko din nagka-camping dito sa Alberta. Yun yung main reason. Sa Ontario, every year nagka-camping kami talaga eh. Pero dito, medyo iniiwasan ko talaga. Hanggat maaari, pag may nagyayaya sa amin, medyo, minsan tumatanggi talaga ako dahil kinakabahan ako sa bear. Hindi ako makakatulog. I don't know, bakit ako may phobia. Ang dami ko kasi napapanood sa YouTube na mga, lalo na ngayon may mga talagang, wala namang mga bear attack pero yung mga bluff, mga bear grizzly ayoko yung nakakatakot. Ayan, magagas lang muna kami bago kami pumasok na sa Canada. Ang mahal ng dito gas. Dapat pala sa AirD tayo na 143.9. Oh man, that's so expensive. Sa amin 132 lang, 33. Wow, mahal. Ayan ang presyo ng gas dito. Mahal pala dito. Ay. Lala. O dito tayo. Sabi ko sa kanila bumili sila ng bear spray. Tingnan natin baka meron dito. Grabe yung mundo. Hindi mo na makita. Ano ba tawag dyan? Clouds ba yan? Or ano ba yan? Mist? Clouds? Ano ba yan? Fog? Clouds for sure. Oh, ayan. See guys, you cannot see it. Wow, pero ang ganda niya. Para siyang bulak. Kami kanina dun sa may visitor center. At meron kaming biniling napaka-importante. Ang bear spray. Ang first bear spray namin dito sa Alberta. Diba? Mas mabuti nang mas maingat tayo. Kaya bumili na rin. Medyo may pagkamahal siya. $55.
Last for 7 seconds.
Ha?
7
O 7 seconds. Sa isang beses mo lang gagamitin?
1 second. Spray.
And then?
1 second.
And then? Paano pag hindi pa rin
Blow it
umalis?
for 7 seconds, it's done.
Oh! So 7 seconds lang tong spray na to. 7 lang, parang 7 spray lang.
Maybe, yeah.
Oh my God. Grabe naman yun. Paano pag marami ka nakitang
How many bears do you
bears?
expect to see?
I don't know. Let's see. Sana wag namin magamit. Hirap makita ang daan. Kasi wala kami makita masyado.
My ears just popped.
Yeah. So, parang sobrang foggy dito.
Why are you? Your cat is like the small. Ow.
Yan. Ito sila, yung mga kamag-anak namin dito sa Toronto. Rich, don't go there. Yan. I don't want. Oy, do not enter, Rich. Ang kulit to, do not enter. Rich, don't go there. Ayun o, do not enter nga eh. No. Let's take a picture here.
Yeah, but let me take
A group picture.
We'll take our family.
Yeah, go family picture. Okay.
He's good thing.
Yeah. So cute. Oh, that's the mirror image niya. Kaya ba bumaba? Careful. This is where we go before. Hello! Oh man. There's an easy. Here, we went this way.
Okay, Jeff, stay there. Carol, stay there. You guys ready?
You guys already. Liam, do not. So we all have to hold hands. Yes. You guys have to hold hands. Okay, here. You're helping. What do I do? You just follow. Okay. Hold my sister's hand. I don't know what's happening. I was just gonna follow. Keep going, keep going, keep going.
They're making a TikTok video.
Some of them are actually really funny.
Follow them. There's a moose. May mga babies. Nag-cross sa kanila. Yeah, in front of them.
Some?
Yeah.
Did you just see it?
I don't know. Ayun na. Sundan mo. Bilisan mo. There. We're here at the Black Shale Suspension Bridge. Andre, stay here. Let them take their pictures first, Andre.
Oh no, they took.
Oh, the three kids.
Liam, stop.
I'm not even bouncing, it's just walking.
Ah, there you go, Rich. This is actually super close if you come back your desk.
Yan. First time namin din dito. So, which is good. Yan.
Okay, it's not too bad.
Yeah, it's not too bad.
Not too bad from
From where we parked.
where we parked. Yeah, yeah.
Running.
Boys.
Go, Carol, go. Stop.
What?
Stop running. Get off the bridge. I'm not crossing the bridge while you're on it. No.
Oh no, don't jump. So, doon kami galing. Dyan. It's very short hike. Maybe like 5 to 10 minutes. Nandito na yung bridge. Ayan na yung bridge. Tapos dito na kami bababa. Going back.
Why don't you
Kung
guys
saan
set
kami
up the thing like
nag-park.
this?
There. We're going down. Going to the parking.
Take a picture of me. Take a picture.
You?
Nice.
Okay. Ito na. Ayan na yung road. Yeah, like 5 to 10 minutes hike. Ano siya, loop lang siya. Short one.
To Kenmore, I can get
Hmm? What?
the.
So yan, dito kami nag-park. Tapos andito yung trail. Ayun yung, wait. So dito yung loop. So pwede kayo dito umakyat. And then you can go down here. Or dyan kayo or dito naman kayo aakyat. Papalik naman doon. Loop lang siya. It's very short. Ang cute! Ang ganda nila! Wow!
Okay, Stony Trail is that.
It hasn't even been 20
Fall
seconds.
Falls Trail is the wider one. Okay, let me lock the car.
Where's Dad?
Scary.
Most definitely barefoot.
Oh, yeah.
Because of all the
See?
berries.
So
Bear poop.
Mom,
With
we're
all the
going this
berries. That's scary. I don't like it. Yan. Okay. We're going back. Takot na. Oh, it's nice there. Ang ganda dun, oh. Dito kami sa Kananaskis Village. Napadaan lang para mag-washroom. Ayan, may araw na ulit. Kasi ang lamig ng hangin, pero ngayon okay na pag may araw. Yeah, this way.
Yeah,
no,
so
no.
you go back to there.
Look at the view, guys. Sobrang ganda. Ayan. Ayan sila.
It's time for more. 36. Oh.